At the beginning of the 90s, Porsche wasn't doing so well. They had made some financial blunders. Their 928 wasn't selling. There was even talk of acquisition, which definitely kept the Germans up at night. After many sleepless nights, and what I can only imagine is the missing of many, many birthdays, the Porsche engineers came up with this. A small two-door roadster that was fun enough for the masses, but still very much Porsche. It was the entry-level car at the time, but that was strategic. You see, this car is not practical. This car is not fuel efficient. This car is a driver's car. Even though it is a fun car, this particular example has seen better days. Let me run you through a few of the things that has definitely made the ownership of this car less than dreamy. First off, when I originally purchased the car, within 48 hours, the check engine light came on. Now, I was confident in my abilities to be able to undertake most things that may go wrong with this car. As a matter of fact, I had planned for it. I knew that the engine was very hard to access. I knew that for a lot of the things, you had to take off the rear tires or disassemble half of the soft top to be able to get to the engine. What I wasn't expecting is that the very first thing to go wrong was going to require a myriad of special tools that I did not have, and was going to require the removal of the engine from the car. The problem was the variocam actuator. The solenoid had taken a crap, and even though not too expensive of a part, the labor cost was definitely up there. But let's not get bogged down in the details. There's a lot of things to love about this car still. So let's start with the good. The AC works. The soft top has no tears. It has an upgraded rear glass, where most of them are vinyl. This comes with the glass rear window, which is very nice. It even comes with a heating element. The interior has aged very well. The steering is still crisp. The seats are definitely buckety. They could be more supporting, but I think the foam has disintegrated over the years as well. And overall, everything else on the car is to an extent mechanically sound. However, with that said, I want to go over a list of the things that I still need to do on this car. I've already had to replace the tie rod ends on the front. Next up on my list are the motor mounts, the transmission mounts. The suspension has seen better days. It's completely atrocious. There is an imminent sound of failure coming from the rear right of my car, the passenger side, and I believe it's to do with the fact that my e-brake has disintegrated somehow and it's just rubbing up against it. Between 2,500 and 3,000 RPM, there is a chatter that comes directly from the engine. It sounds like a pulley that's loose or something else that's rattling back there. I have an oil leak from the dipstick in the back, and I do believe that it's burning oil because I see a cloud of smoke on a cold morning when I started the vehicle. I have done some research, and I think it's the air oil separator. Hopefully I'm right, because that would be easy enough to replace. But at the same time, you never know. I may have to drop the engine just to get to that part. It would appear that this car is hopeless then. I mean, it's small, only seats 2, gives me about 16 miles to the gallon in the city, has a very stiff ride because the suspension is garbage, and it's sitting on 18 masochistic? Well, it's because once in a while, when you find the perfect road, none of that other stuff seems to matter anymore. Likes to be revved up. The engine breathes and lives better between 5,000 and 7,000 RPMs. The handling and the grip when you need it is there. Up, even for being quite broken, and I can still feel what the car is telling me through the steering wheel. I can't deny it. That was fun. The car has potential. The car has something about it. Something special. Something special for sure. But at the same time, I can't shake the feeling that there's just something missing and I can't put my finger on it. It's a love-hate relationship. Well, we have seemed to cut up to some friends. Hello. All right. Everyone should feel that bond of what being a car guy is, what being a car person